Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your audio chain ready. First, pick a quiet room and place the mic 6-12 inches from your mouth for consistent levels. Then, open your screen recorder and select both system audio and your microphone. Enable exclusive mode so other apps don't steal samples. Once done, close noisy programs, silence notifications, and power down fans nearby. These first steps cut captured background noise and make later noise reduction far more effective, so don't skip them. Now you refine capture parameters to prevent noise from being recorded. Lower mic gain to around -12 to -6 dB and monitor through headphones so peaks don't clip. Next, enable a gentle noise gate with a 2.6 dB threshold to cut low-level hum and add light compression to even dynamics. This reduces room hiss without sounding processed. Also, choose a directional or cardioid mic pattern and add a pop filter or foam shield. These steps stop noise at the source. Finish by cleaning the recording with post-processing. Open your audio editor and run spectral or adaptive denoise at a conservative 312% while previewing. Reduce only what's necessary to avoid artifacts. Then normalize to about -6 dB and apply mild duraverb if echo remains. Export as WAV or 320 kbps MP3. If the result still has problems, re-record with the mic closer. Add quick room treatment or switch devices. Those steps fix stubborn noise far better than extreme denoising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.